Alaikum. This is Dr. Rahman Ali, and today we are going to learn one more AI-powered application, and that is the Grammarly extension for Chrome. This Grammarly extension for Chrome is a powerful AI tool which can be integrated into our social media networks, for example, Facebook, emails, and WhatsApp, and we can improve our speed of writing and generating emails, text, social media posts, and other things without any grammatical mistakes. If you remember, before this, we have learned about the Grammarly uh, desktop version, and in that we have used its brainstorming feature. For example, this is the desktop application, and I am interested to brainstorm on this research topic, so I can use its generative AI feature, and I can ask it that brainstorm on the topic this one, and it will give me some possible brainstorming idea, and I can adopt these directly. And then we also learn about how we can generate research outline for this. Give me research outlines for this idea. So we already discussed this in our last video tutorial of learning how we can use it for our research and make it our research assistant. We also discuss and learn about the Grammarly. Uh, we also discuss about the Grammarly AI email generator online, and this was a two-step process to uh, write professional email for us, backed by ChatGPT and AI techniques. And today we are going to learn about the Grammarly Chrome extension. So you have to download it and install it, and once you install it, you will find it in your extension. So I already installed it, so it's available over here. And when I go over here and check it Grammarly, so it tells me that your Grammarly extension is already active, and you can use it in your different social media platform. So let's see how we can use it. So let's take the example of how we can use it in our email and make it our email assistant. So I got this email from an author about asking about guidance for their research papers and research journal, and I'm going to respond to this person. So as I click on the reply here, this Grammarly Chrome extension is already installed, and it gives me here this icon shows me that it's now active. So I'm asking this Grammarly Chrome extension, and at first uh, take the intent of this sender, that what the sender is asking. So the whole email is comprehended, and the intent is given by this AI powered extension, and very small 2 to 3 sentences that the Mary is asking about the guidance about the suggestion for their paper submission. So it also gives us this AI powered assistance can also give me suggestion that how you can reply to this email. So in the reply, I'm providing provide mm, so I'm providing her that for the EI expert system with application is the good one, and for the SCI knowledge based system is the good one. And also I'm recommending giving her suggestion that how you can improve your paper. And now it's going to provide me in email. So this is the email is generated, and I just click on this email, and this email is now loaded into the email body. And if I ask this that give me the subject for this email, so it can also comprehend this text, and can give me suggestion about the this subject. So I can copy from here, and I can edit this subject and submitted, and the process is completely done. And now I will send it over here. So it has made my job easier, and I can quickly write hundreds and thousands of emails each day if my boss has assigned it to me. So this is one of the great feature of Grammarly Chrome extension, which is powered by generative AI using ChatGPT large language model. And here I'm going to write a post in my social media network, for example, Facebook, and for example, this is the Eid days are coming, and I'm posting on my Facebook profile about helping to the neighbors who are in need of clothes, foods, and these kind of things. But I wrote at random, roughly, and I'm asking this Grammarly extension to help me in making it more attractive, descriptive, and empathetic, and with detailed description, so I can take help of this Chrome extension over here as well. So now you can see that this is Grammarly is active over here and give me suggestion about the errors and the grammatical mistakes, etc. And I can correct them over here. But I can also make use of rewriting, improve it. The Grammarly will improve it for me, and I will just insert it over here. And if I'm asking it that make it uh, short, so it will make it short. So this is the short version, and I will insert it over here. And if I want to make it assertive or more descriptive or empathetic, so I can make it. This is now done, and I will just insert it, and my post is now ready, and I can use it. Now you can say that this message, which was roughly written in a quick and way, without looking into the spelling and grammar mistakes, and it has been improved by this Grammarly Chrome extension in a professional way, and I can just post it over here. Similarly, we can also use it. Now let's see another use of this Chrome extension. For example, I got a message in this group from one of my friend, and I want to know about the intent of this message. Is what is the intent of the sender in this message, and it will give me the intent that the it seems that sender is expressing frustration, blah blah blah. And now I'm asking to generate a response with agreeing to his frustration and giving suggestion to have a meeting. Now this assistant will generate a response message, a beautiful one, and I can directly insert this into my this message window, and it will be sent to the sender. So this has made my job easier, quicker, and faster. So these are the uses of Chrome extension, that it can make our job easier, quicker, and now we don't care about the spelling, grammar, and these things. This AI assistant can do all these job for me and can make my job easier. So you can use it in your daily life. Thank you.